Good boy. Sit. Sit. Dead. Good lad. Hand on. How that goes there.
We watched one at Bosmore last week that came out this cover crop. And no word of a lie, that fucker that was way up.
Yeah?
That was way out of gun range and that fucking glib. See them fucking trees up there?
Aye.
In that background?
Yeah.
You asked Barry. That was just glib.
Really?
Fucking right up in the air and to about that distance.
Amazing.
Then it come down. You know, it actually came down on the end. Oh boy, she fucking slaughtered.
That's a fair distance, isn't it?
Hell of a fucking way. And that was high up.
Yeah?
I've never seen a bird go as fucking high as that. I've never seen cause normally they sort of flap so far, then they go off a peak, don't they? But this thing just kept going.
Ooh.
Yeah, that long. Flag up, please! Hold on, Mark, hold on.
Come on, mate.
Keep pumping it.
How slow is he to reload? Go on, get in there. God. Look at this, you're missing some stonkers. Oh, don't take that in.
There are some decent. He's hard at that low one. He's waiting for the high one, and then he decided he couldn't fucking have, so he went for the low.
Yeah.
That's nice, isn't it?
Hold on. Yeah. Oh, I'm glad his mate followed up.
Yeah. That took some fucking lead the first one.
Yeah.
The first time, didn't it?
Oh. Okay. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Oh, to let the dog off?
No, you can now though again. But yeah, you can work the hedge up.
Oh, wait.
On the arm now, mate.
Wait. Go on. Get in there. Get in there. Robbie! Here! Come on. Get in there. Get in. Get in there.
Oh, we went into the stick. No, it won't hurt you.
Yeah.